Argentina receives second Beechcraft TC-12B Huron aircraft. The Argentine Navy has received its second Beechcraft TC-12B Huron aircraft to enhance operational capabilities and naval patrols. The new aircraft will be assigned to the Naval Maritime Surveillance Squadron, part of the Naval Aviation Command, to improve logistical capabilities for territorial deployments. We must protect and defend the interests of the country. We must ensure that Argentines are safer, at peace and free, said Argentina's Minister of Defense, Luis Petri. These vital interests require us to control the exclusive economic zone and ensure that not a single ship crosses it, because the resources of all Argentines are at stake there, he added. Buenos Aires acquired two Beechcraft TC-12B aircraft from the U.S., with the first delivery received in July 2023. Features: the Beechcraft TC-12B Huron is a pressurized twin-engine turboprop fixed-wing aircraft manufactured by Textron Aviation. It has a wingspan of 16 meters (52.4 feet), a length of 13.5 meters (44 feet), and a height of 4.6 meters (15 feet). It achieves a maximum speed of 550 kilometers (341 miles per hour) and cruises at 536 kilometers (333 miles per hour). The aircraft has an empty weight of 3,520 kilograms (7,759 pounds) and can handle a maximum takeoff weight of 6,123 kilograms (13,500 pounds). The aircraft received by Argentina 2 years ago accommodates 2 pilots in the cockpit, 1 crew member, and up to 7 passengers in the cabin. It features a Garmin GTN 750 SHI system supporting precise area navigation using GPS technology.